How to log in or sign in to AliExpress account. Launch your AliExpress app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom right, you will find the option of sign in. Click on it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. First, you have to select your location. Tap on this drop down and select your country. After you do that, over here you have to type in your email or phone number that is linked with your account, or also you can continue with Apple, Google, Facebook or Twitter account. If you have created your account using these options, you can tap on it and with that you will be logged into your account. Or else you can type in your email or phone number over here. After you type in, click on the option of continue. Now you have to type in password over here. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you fill these, click on sign in. With that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log in or sign into your AliExpress account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.